Antarctica the white continent. So Antarctica the white continent. So we are going to learn 26th lesson. Here you can see location, extent and physical settings. We are going to learn about location, extent and physical settings. First one is location. So you can see here location. Antarctica is the continent which surrounds the South Pole. The Antarctica. The Antarctica. So you can see here the Antarctica. So you can see the Antarctica right here. Right here you can see the Antarctica. So we have here that you can see the Antarctica. Antarctica is present here. You can see all longitude, latitudes, everything. Okay. Longitude, latitudes, everything you can see now. Antarctica is the continent which surrounds the South Pole. Okay, right. Then next you can see here that most of the continent lies within the Antarctica circle. What? Here we are asking that. Sorry. Most of the continent lies within the circle. Which circle? Okay, Antarctica circle. This is the Antarctica circle. Okay. Think like that itself. This is the Antarctica circle. Antarctica circle. So most of the continent lies within the Antarctica circle. After this you have or 66 degree 30 degree. Here you can see 66 degree, 60 degree and here will be 66 degree. And here is your 30 degree and this here will be the 66 degree. So after this you can see that a unique south latitude in that south latitude. Okay, a unique position of the continent is that it is opposite. A unique position of the continent. This is the unique position of the continent, right? This is a opposite of an Arctic Ocean. Opposite of an Arctic Ocean. Opposite of an Arctic Ocean. Around the North Pole. Around where? North Pole. Around the North Pole. This is the opposite of an Arctic. This is the opposite of an Arctic Ocean around the North Pole. After this you can see here that now we are going to learn about extent. We are going to learn about extent. So here you can see Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. This is the 5th largest continent. Okay, largest continent. This is the 5th largest continent in the world. Okay, its total area is 14.2 million. Its total area is 14.2 million square meter. 2 million square meter. After that, it is larger than China and India. This is larger than China and India. Let's see that. Okay. So you can see this is our India. It is larger than India is smaller than the Antarctica, and you can see here the China. China is too big. Then also the Antarctica is the larger than the India or China. India and China. So after this you can see, and is more than half the size of USA. You can see USA. The USA locates just here. This Antarctica is half of the USA. So next you can see that physical settings. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by water body. You can see here the Antarctica is surrounded by water body. Yeah, just you can see here. Hold on. So you can see the Antarctica is surrounded by water bodies. Okay, the Antarctica is surrounded by water bodies. After that, it is often called the Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. This surrounded part will call as Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. After this, but it is not a separate water body. We have called Antarctica Ocean and Southern Ocean. They both are not sorry. This Southern Ocean, okay. It's too. The Southern Ocean and the Antarctica Ocean, right? These both we are telling like this is first name and this is also a name of. We'll think that half is Antarctica and half is Southern. So it is not. These are not separate. These are not separate water body. Okay, just these are not a separate water body. These two are one. Okay. Instead, it is formed by the meeting of southern parts. Instead, it is meeting by southern parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. These three are mixing, so we have called it with different names, and these are not separated. Then Cape Horn, the southern extreme end of the South America, is the nearest land to this continent. There is some nearest continent like this, and here. These are the nearest continent. It lies at a distance 990 kilometers. What? 990 kilometers far away the nearest continent will live. Which is that? Antarctica is bound by the Indian Ocean in the east. Here is our east. Okay. Here the Indian Ocean. Which Indian Ocean is bound? Antarctica is bound by the Indian Ocean. Okay. Then next, it lies at over this Pacific Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the northwest. Pacific Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the northwest. Where? Northwest. Okay. Some here it will come northwest. Okay. After this, okay, that paragraph. Now, second physical features. with second physical features we are going to do. For this, you subscribe our channel. For this, you have to subscribe our channel. For this, you have to subscribe our channel. For part for part 2. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.